Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to blur a face in Hypic using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap Edit Photo and choose the photo you want to blur a face. Once your photo is open, look for the Effects, Tool or Edit section in the Hypic. There is usually an option called blur. Next, select the area you want to blur. You can use fingers to draw over the face or tap the face if the app automatically detects it. Adjust the blur intensity. If the app allows it, you can make it light or strong depending on how hidden you want the face to be. After you are happy with the blur, tap apply or down. Make sure the face looks blurred the way you want before saving. Finally, save or export the edited photo to your iPhone library. And that's it, blurring face in Hypic is quick and easy on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.